So today we will solve this question. The question is stating that 10.47 gram of a compound contains 6.25 gram of metal A whose mass is 207 mu and the rest non-metal of mass 35.5 mu. We have to tell the empirical formula. Okay. So first we have to write what is the compound's mass. So we have a compound whose mass we know, that is 10.47 gram. Here A has 6.25 gram and then B will be having, you have to subtract it, which will come as 4.22 gram. Okay. We have to find the empirical formula of the compound. So we know that the weight of this compound as given in the question, it is 207 mu, I am writing this U, and this is 35.5 U. Okay, 35.5. So the thing we need to do is to find the number of moles. So let's find the moles of A, which will be equal to 6.25 by 207, and the moles of B will be equal to 4.22 by 35.5. Now we have to find the ratio between them. Okay. To find the ratio of the empirical formula, we need to find the ratio by dividing the moles of A by the moles of B. So let's divide the moles of A by the moles of B. Okay, so we can write the equation as 6.25 by 207 divided by 4.22. I'm writing a point, it's not registering. 4.22 by 35.5. Okay, now I will need some space. Sorry, I will need some space. So yeah, I got the space. So to calculate this, we have to again solve this expression, which we will get as 6. Sorry, what is happening? Yeah, to solve this, you have to get this expression. We will be getting 6.25 divided by 20625 divided by 20700, because I am dividing both side by 100 and then multiplying, because the reciprocal will be in division. You all know that 3550 by 422. So let's solve this expression. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. We can divide this by 5. It will be 71. This will be 414. Then I can do something. This is 422, but I can just, for my convenience, I can make this to 4, so that this can get cancelled. Sorry, not 4. We can make it 6, so that this can get cancelled. This is a trick you can use. We have made it 6. Okay. Now this. Now I am just clearing this space. I'm copying and deleting this space. Okay. Now the expression will look like 6 to 5. If you calculate, you will get this one, 6 to 5 by 2484. Okay. Now again, for my convenience, I am writing this as 6 to 5 by 2500, and thus you can get a ratio of 1:4. So after getting this ratio of 1:4, the thing we can conclude that A is to B, A is to B is 1/4. So the empirical formula will be AB by 4. So this is our answer. You just have to do this calculation by moles and this done.